Well, the Preston Oates story continues today in court.
Yeah, the former tow truck driver in Bluffton is accused of shooting and killing Carlos Oliveira. It happened on Christmas Eve 2010. Oates was driving around in his tow truck when he put a boot on Oliver's car. Authorities say they got into an argument that Oates shot Oliveira 6 times. Well, he's claiming self-defense under a law that is similar to Stand Your Ground law. And today, Oates made another court appearance. His attorney made yet another plea to the judge.
And the family of the victim also appealed to the judge as well. Our Low Country Bureau Chief Larry Sproul was in the courtroom today. And Larry, this has been a long process. Why was he in court today?
Well, Rob and Jennifer, it has been a long process, actually almost 3 years in the making. And Preston Oates, he went to the judge to kind of appeal to have her to allow him to take the ankle monitor off, but the judge made another decision as well. But the victim's family says they are confident that overall justice will be served.
I understand that.
For the first time in a while, Preston Oates faces a judge head-on. Oates is accused of shooting and killing Carlos Oliveira on Christmas Eve 2010 after trying to tow his car in the Edgefield subdivision in Bluffton. Now you can see in this video in the top right corner a flash of light believed to be shots fired. It was 4 days after this shooting that Oates went into police custody. Oates is now out on bond and wearing an ankle monitor and claiming the shooting was self-defense, or also called the Castle Doctrine law here in South Carolina, a law that is very similar to the Stand Your Ground law in Florida, which faced public scrutiny in the George Zimmerman trial.
The Castle Doctrine is a defense,
right,
and the Castle Doctrine is the defense that we do not think and have never thought applies in this case.
It's frustrating, you know, because we really see other cases like the one in Florida is already resolved. We believe, you know, that case and the mistakes that happened in that case, we believe that it won't happen in Beaufort County.
Wednesday, Oates attorney Jared Newman asked Judge Deidre Jefferson to change the current conditions of Oates' bond, allowing him to no longer wear the ankle bracelet. Before the judge ruling, solicitor Duffy Stone and Nelson Oliveira, Carlos's brother, stood in front, asking the judge for the complete opposite. Judge Jefferson heard their concerns, denying the motion, forcing Oates to continue wearing the monitor.
I say it's fair for the society, and it's fair for both sides, you know. So we really want him behind bars, but we're following through with the law and the system.
The family says this has been a long process, but at the end, they feel that justice will be served.
We believe, you know, the justice will serve at the end, and Oates will receive his punishment.
We cannot, our case has stayed in state court until the South Carolina Court of Appeals makes a decision, and once they do so, we will be prepared to move forward.
What are they? And now currently Oates is in a different part of South Carolina and still wearing the ankle bracelet. He's also under strict guidelines such as meeting court appointments. But Rob and Jennifer, the crazy thing about this whole thing is that a jury would not actually hear the court case until about 18 months from now. So the family will still be waiting for justice.
This case seems like it just keeps going and going and going, and I'm sure the family wants some kind of resolution.
Right, and they're frustrated, but they said that in the end they believe justice will happen.
All right, thanks, Larry.
All right.
Thank you, Larry.